Why does your scanner show the P0440 engine code? What does it mean? P0440 is a diagnostic trouble code for evaporative emission control (EVAP) system malfunction. This engine code indicates that this meaning the ECM has detected a leak or issue within the system that captures and recycles fuel vapors. Common causes include a loose or faulty gas cap, damaged EVAP system hoses, a blocked or failed charcoal canister. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: loose or faulty gas cap, damaged charcoal canister, faulty purge or vent valve, malfunctioning fuel tank pressure sensor, other leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Chevrolet, Dodge, and Jeep models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.